Here's this, all right, given COVID, given the winter, I don't know about you, but I'm just so happy that our sunset tomorrow is at 7:13 p.m. I'm looking forward to a later sunset. I'll be able to get a jog in after work from now. All right, looking at temperatures for today, the official high was right around 58 degrees. The average high 53, so we were cooler, but we were still above that average for this time of year. So really enjoying it. 40 right now, BWI Thurgood Marshall Airport, 42 in Annapolis, 43 in Frederick. It is 40 in Westminster, and we are in the low 30s in Bel Air. Look how much colder we are compared to this time yesterday. A lot of spots anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees colder, but overnight we're just going to fall into the 30s, and the average low for this time of year is low 30s, so we'll be slightly above that. Calm, clear conditions, looking pretty good overnight. It will be a chilly start to the day, but tomorrow should be slightly warmer and milder compared to what we dealt with throughout the day today. You can look for high temperature right around 61 degrees. High pressure is in control. It's providing us with a lot of sunshine. We've got beautiful, beautiful weather as we head into tomorrow, but there's a system lurking out to our west. That's going to be pushing to the east. It looks like it'll weaken a little bit before it gets to the east coast, but it will bring us the potential for a little bit of a wintry mix. That's Monday night into Tuesday morning before we start to dry out. We'll be in between systems by Wednesday. So here's a look at how this could play out. Wintry mix possible. High pressure moves offshore. Heading into Monday night, we'll start to see some moisture approaching, but the system generally will weaken a little bit. As it moves to the east, though, it is possible we could break out with a couple of rain and snow showers. Those could linger into Tuesday morning. Calls for a slick morning commute. Again, this is still a couple of days out, so there could be some changes that we're fine-tuning here with forecast models, but we'll transition to some rain showers by the day on Tuesday as temperatures warm up enough. All right, Wednesday I mentioned we're in between systems, 57 for the high temp Wednesday, then a better chance for some moisture arrives Thursday. We will be in the low 50s Friday and Saturday. Over to you.